Jen. Welcome back to my channel. Yes, I want to have some positive stuff for you guys, but there are coupons that are coming out this Sunday, March 22nd. It's going to be a little Retail Me Not and then somewhat of a size Smart Source. I think I'm going to pass on getting extra inserts. There's some that I might buy like on clip to save, but otherwise I'm probably just going to pass on this. With everything that's going on, I really don't need a lot of coupons, but I still want to share with you guys deals because everybody's in different situations and needs a coupon. So this is what is in the Retail Me Nots. Now please keep in mind every insert is different. I know for sure I will not get the Downy and Gain. I know for sure I will not get the Garnier. And I might even get the Sheba. Who cares? I've seen it where I got one stinking coupon in my inserts. So if you guys are new to couponing, just keep in mind that everybody's inserts are different than, you know, everything else that you see. So here we are getting Barilla pasta sauce, $1, Downy, Gain, or Dreft, $4 off any 3, which is a pretty good coupon. Garnier, $3 off any 2. Garnier Whole Blends, $3 off probably any 2. Then we got Sheba, buy 5, get 5 free. So that is all that is in the Retail Me Not. This website I forgot to mention is SundayCouponInserts.com. But here is what is in the Smart Source. So we got a Fresh, $1 off that. Airwick, $2 off any refill, it looks like. And then we got, they skipped a lot of these. I'm assuming it's $2 off or something. Like, they don't have all their information, which is kind of weird. I've never seen that before. But we are getting an Arm & Hammer Spin Brush Battery Operated Toothbrush for $1. Bosch & Lomb. Bertolli Pasta Sauce, 75 cents. Clairol, $5 off any 2. Clairol. Okay. Clairol, $2 off. And then CoverGirl. I'm assuming it's going to be a 3, a 2, and a 3, or a 3, 2, 2. We always get CoverGirl. Like, they overlap with each other, too. Diamond California Ready to Use Nut Pie Crust, $1 off that. Dole Fruit Bowls, $1 off any 2. Idaho Grown Potatoes, $1 off. Carousel, Lucky Leaf, they're going to make us make pies, it seems like. Nature Valley Granola Bars, 50 cents off of any 2. Resolve Carpet Solutions, we got $1 off. Resolve Pet Stain, Resolve, and then Steak and Shake coupons. So those are what we're getting in this Sunday's inserts. Like I said, I might pass because none of these sound interesting. Sorry, my kid's just making a bunch of noise in the background. But the only ones I would probably get is the Garnier and the Whole Blends. So just want to let you guys know. Sorry for my kid. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.